Today we will be talking about the changes in the TrueFence app, which is designed to be a digital sales assistant tool for fence estimating. In this video, we're going to be discussing the new information mode, changes in the selection mode, and our new TrueFence dashboard. Our TrueFence dashboard includes a schedule and a projects module. A schedule module to get a quick glance at all of the upcoming scheduled appointments that we've configured across True, as well as access to all of your assigned projects. In these modules, you'll see a quick list view of all of your upcoming projects, and it'll help to keep everything in one place, allowing you to access your records at the click of a button. We are going to open up one of these projects and go through some of the core changes in the workflow with TrueFence. Now you'll notice we have a new information mode. That information mode will contain the link schedule, all the customer information, as well as the activity log and files. If I need to adjust the address, I can do so in the top right here, and I can also go into the details mode to review some of the key client information. From here, we're ready to go ahead and create a digital proposal, so I'm going to go into the selections mode for this particular project, click the choose selection button, and create a new proposal. It's going to automatically load a Google Maps satellite image, which I can right click and make modifications to the size of or change the map type. From here, I want to go ahead and create some fence lines. I'm going to use my fence tool, drag and drop my fence lines, and then I'm going to use my selection tool to actually assign footages. And use my right and left arrows here to cycle through my selections, and it automatically assigns a group. That way I can combine these into one fence line when I'm assigning products and generating a material list. If I right click this, I can always assign this to a second group if I want to keep them separate in the event that this is a separate material type. I'm going to go ahead and save the drawing, which will save this overlay on top of the Google snapshot. And it's going to take me to the selections mode, where I can then assign products to these lines and generate a material list. From this point, all we need to do is assign a product, make any necessary pricing adjustments, and generate my proposal. But before that, if we look at some of these new buttons, you'll find you can select the first one to create another separate unrelated proposal, edit your name, or choose from your existing ones. I can also select this drawing button to open my drawing and make any modifications, or I can select this eForm button to generate my eForm with what I've configured for this particular quote. In this scenario, they are looking for some vinyl fence, so I'm going to click choose product, filter down this list with our new product picker filter, and choose my product. It's going to automatically assign my line items and generate a material list as it normally does. And I'm going to go ahead and combine to consolidate any matching duplicate line items. From here, I can make any adjustments. Maybe I need to adjust the price by 10% for these particular line items. So I'll batch select, hit confirm, and it looks to be good to go. I'm going to click the eForm button to generate my eForm proposal, as well as attach this layout that I've created and make any necessary adjustments to my proposal so that I can go ahead and send it out to my client. Installation of 140 feet of white vinyl fencing. Go into my step 2. Maybe there's inclusions of core drill in the price, and there's exclusions of private utility locates. Go ahead and hit my generate button to save all my changes, and then I'm ready to send out my quote via the email button. I can load a template that will automatically populate my customer information, and I'm going to enter an email. Alternatively, I can select my related emails here to populate those fields, and then I can include a e-sign link. Once I send this, my customer will receive this as an attachment, and on the TrueFence side, it's going to mark that the quote has been sent. If you're looking at this record back in True, the sent button will be selected and you will have a follow-up date. Once that follow-up date is reached, you'll receive an alert. All of this can be tracked within TrueFence. So I do not ever have to leave the Fence app. I can also go directly to my e-sign link here if I have my customer right in front of me, and I can click through and go ahead and e-sign it. Now at this point, I have sent out my proposal to be signed, and I am ready to collect payment and upgrade this to a job and make use of True functionality found in the jobs workflow, including all the project management tools such as work tickets, invoicing, inventory, and procurement.